Alright guys, this is like the 100th clip of this little take in the video. I keep saying oh, I can't get it out of my head. I say oh like every 5 seconds. It drives me crazy. One of the viewers pointed it out to me and I'm like, I know I say oh a lot. It's a force of habit. It's a bad habit. See, I just did it there. But anyway, got the Challenger all buffed out. I put the base coat of ceramic coating on it. Got to wait a few hours, let it cure for a little bit, and then we'll come back through and put the top coat layer on. But it is really nice. I think it's like a 2009 or so. It's only got 4,000 miles on it, which is nothing. I think the customer has a different hood for it. I don't know if it's the Hellcat hood or what hood it is, but it looks pretty sick. So we're gonna he's gonna put the new hood on it and probably get that ceramic coated once it's on and the paint's fully cured. Still coating the wheels here. Got to coat these calipers. I got them all cleaned up. Still have to do that. Coating these wheels here. Still got to finish them. Let's go see what Todd's up to over here. Pretty noisy. I love this air compressor, but it's really noisy. I really need to put a door over here on the office when customers come in. It's so noisy you can't even hear anything. How you making out, Todd?
Good. Right now I'm working on this Lincoln Navigator. We had it in a year ago, I believe, for a Ceramic Pro Gold package. And the customer had a incident where I believe this rear door was damaged, and so he had the rear door painted, I believe this panel, and even the front door. I'm basically right now touching up getting rid of some little scratches and swirls and whatnot from the body shop. Trying to get it cleaned up a little bit so we can go ahead and recoat the panels with some more Ceramic Pro.
Cool, very good. Still got the Airstream here. Had some really good weather yesterday. Go outside today. This is what it looks like today. Got the Honda out. Hopefully we don't get the 6 to 10 inches they're calling for, or else I might have to get a ride. But it doesn't look like it's laying on the road too bad, which is good. Come on, spring. All right, got this 2003 GMC Sierra Duramax. It's got the tan interior. We don't run into this too much here. Usually it has the charcoal or the black interior. These seats I think are the most comfortable seats that you can find on long rides. These older GM seats, the cloth ones are very, very comfortable. The leather ones aren't too bad either, but the cloth ones, I think. Comment below if you agree, if you have a older GMC and you just love your seats. Hopefully you guys can hear me over this noisy washer over here. But yeah, if you liked the couple quick clips that we had of the GMC 1500, it's a 2011 6.2 liter. Has a Texas speed cam, stall converter, headers. It's pretty bad. I cleaned it up previously, and then Jason Stark, a good friend of ours, took it up to Harrisburg to get videoed on the Truck Central YouTube channel. So I think sometime in April they're going to launch that video with Jason's truck, and I know it's going to be a really good video. So if you want to see that truck in action, make sure to subscribe to Truck Central's YouTube channel. That way you can check it out. Then on the Challenger, if you want to see any more of that, I probably won't do any more video this week, but I might upload a couple pictures and videos onto our Instagram once it's all done. So yep, I'm gonna get out of here. It's like pushing 8 o'clock and it's still snowing. I don't want to get stuck here overnight in the Honda, even though I do have the Airstream still here. I could just sleep in there. It's got satellite TV. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you later.